Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode of the Adventures of Freyja preseason, we're going to talk about replacing our non-lockable hatch locks with lockable hatch locks. We were able to find out that the OEM supplier of these locks are GEMLUX. And so I ordered a few for the boat, and turns out that they're actually identical fittings, with the only difference being that the handle has a little lock on it. Everything else is identical, even to the point that the boat has this exact same piece of, I don't know what you would describe it, this part of the actual mechanism, mount, has also the little slot here for the locks already. So all we really have to do is basically unscrew this off, unscrew the other one off, swap one with the other, and voila, we have basically the whole thing done with very little effort. As a matter of fact, the reason I have this right now is because I've already put one on the boat, and that's exactly what I did. I mean, it didn't take hardly any time at all. So I'm pretty happy about that. I thought it was going to be a fair amount of work, but turns out it's about 5 minutes worth of work. So let's go to the boat, check it out. So actually, before we go to the boat, what we should do is go ahead and just take this apart. It'll be a lot easier to do it down here. So really, there's not a whole lot to it. You basically take this nut off. This comes off too. And with your 13mm wrench, you take this off. This comes off. This comes off, this comes off, and then the last thing is there's actually a bushing in here, and I would just, in the interest of having a new bushing, I'm just going to pop this one out of here with a scribble screwdriver and pop it down, and that way we'll have a nice brand new little bushing. This goes back up on here. And I'm going to grab new hardware and take it up to the boat, and we'll do an install, and that'll be it. As you can see, part one, pretty easy. So really now it's just a question of unscrewing this from the boat and screwing the new one in, and we'll be there. Okay, now we're going to go to the boat. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and do the kind of the lazarette that has the batteries in it. I already did the starboard side, and so that's how I was able to kind of just judge the amount of work. So pretty simple, and really we'll just grab this. I have my magic piece of wood that holds the hatch up, and then what we want to do is literally just unscrew this off. I'm going to take a quick look measurement wise just to see how much where that nut is after all is said and done. Pretty close, and so this really becomes a question of getting a little closer and unscrewing everything off. Lose a nut in here, that would be not much fun. So we'll get this loosened up off. It is interesting the fit and finish on these boats. On the other hatch, there's these two little screws that were actually cut off flush with the nuts. On this one, as you can see, that's not necessarily the case. So we got that, and then pretty much take this guy off right here. And voila, that's it. So now we can literally grab this, bring it down. I'm going to grab the washer so it doesn't. I'm going to grab this over here. That way we have something to grab the hatch by. And then as you can see that kind of comes up, comes off, and voila. So now we're just going to clean this up real quick, and we'll get it all put back together again. Awesome. For our next trick, we're going to grab the handle with the lock on it and put it back in. And really, it's just the reverse of what we just did. So it's super simple. I did put some this T9 stainless steel kind of corrosion protection stuff on there just to be in good shape. And so literally, we just slide this guy in the hole. And that's it. Now that that's done, we'll grab our new washer, put it in here, our bolt, our new nut, which somehow, yep, this must be it over here. So we'll put our new nut, then the other components back in place, and really it'll be over and done with. So I'm not sure we need to kind of show how that goes, since it's pretty easy. But yeah, it's super quick. I mean, 5 minutes tops. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, another good little upgrade on Freyja. Awesome. And voila, finished product. Looks very nice. Very simple, very easy to use. So yeah, anyway, they were very expensive though. So I will have that to say about it. But anyway, a little peace of mind is worth it. Hope you enjoyed it. Awesome. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.